Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. An update on the progress of our repair works at Princess Road. Our team was able to access the damaged pipeline in the wee hours of this morning, exactly around 1:30 a.m. Upon assessment of the damages, the team noted that the damage caused by the HDD drilling auger was quite extensive. It was extensive enough that we could not do on-site repairs. We then had to remove the thrust block and physically remove the bend, the damaged bend, and take it up to our workshop in Wailoku for further repairs. Now, in saying that, what we also noted was that the extent of damage on this particular bend, that when we do the remedial works we currently have done on it and install it, within about a year, we expect that this particular bend will leak again. And it is for this reason we've decided to get in touch with our partners, Elisha Engineering, who are making their way down to Suva to fabricate a brand new bend for us. The estimated time of completion for the bend that is going to be fabricated by Elisha Engineering is by the early hours of tomorrow morning. And what we are going to be doing in the interim, as you can see behind me, our men are remobilizing to temporarily install the bend that has been repaired, to provide water to those customers who are currently affected along Waimanu Road, Lekutu Street, Mal Street, Tonganivalu, Moti, Boren, the elevated areas of Talasinga, Sese, and also in Matani Tombua. These elevated areas would be facing some water supply issues, as well as customers in Waimanu Road, along Waimanu Road, including the hospital, and also customers in Raiwasa. The temporary bend that we're putting in now is going to be installed for the sole purpose of providing some form of water supply to the customers who reside in this area for the duration of the fabrication of the new bend. And once the new bend has been fabricated by Elisha Engineering, then we will shut the main line down again, which would be in the early hours of tomorrow morning, and install the brand new bend. The reason we are doing this is because we do not want to revisit this site in a year's time, where we dig up infrastructure such as the footpath, the seal road, and cause the same level of disruption that occurred during this particular disruption in about a year's time. We thank our customers for the continued understanding and patience with us. We are also providing water. We continue to provide water cutting to our customers. We still have 40 water cutting trucks running. So if you need or you want water cutting to be undertaken, please dial 5777, and we will provide water cutting to your property. At the outset of the repair works, we had initially hoped that the damaged portion of the pipeline would be on the straight portion of the pipelines instead of the bend. But when we assessed the damages, we noted that all of the damages were confined to the bend itself, and also the auger had touched onto the welded portion of the bend, which has now made that particular portion of the section of the bend vulnerable, meaning that we will not be able to utilize that asset for with sustained pressure over a long period of time. That is also one of the reasons why we need to refabricate a brand new bend, reinstall it, so that once we've completed our works at Princess Road, we will not need to revisit this site anytime in the near future. That is the update as of 2 p.m. this Saturday afternoon, and we will be providing further updates this evening and in the early hours of tomorrow morning.